Welcome back to Meet Fear and Greed. Today we're looking at Bitcoin using logarithmic regression on a 1-month scale. If you haven't met, my name is David. Today we're looking at outlook on Bitcoin using logarithmic regression. Let's jump into the video. First thing let's look at today is the current price action of Bitcoin. At the time of recording, we're at about $64,000. I'd like to share with you today where we are on the current regression band. Currently, right now, we are about 5 bands down from this top white line right here. And we're about 3 lines above the bottom white regression band right here. Another thing I'd like to share with you today is that we're making a triple top pattern right now. Our first top here was in April 2021. Our second top here was November and December 2021. And currently we're making our third top right now. Right here. Something else I'd like to share with you here is that currently right now we are just holding this light green regression band as support right here. And earlier in the month here, we did come up to this orange middle regression band here just for a short time before retracting back down to the top of the light green regression band. Now I'd like to show you some things in the past performance of Bitcoin that have really caught my eye. Right now we're starting to form a real similar fractal pattern here, like we did in 2019, right here. Forming the same pattern here. Let me show you some of the similarities. We started out here in 2019 in this middle green regression band. Real similar like we did here. We then were able to move up to this top light green regression band here. Right there. After we got to this light green regression band, we did make a quick move here to the orange regression band here, which is the middle or median one. And we made up to this pink regression band right here. Real similar like we did here in 2024. Moved up real quick here to the orange regression band. And just about hit the pink regression band right here. We then moved sideways here in 2019. Let's take a measure move and see how long we move sideways for here. Move sideways for about 11 months here. Let's see what that looked like in 2024. That moves over to about February of 2025. Along our journey here in 2019, we moved back down here to this middle green regression band. And eventually moved back down here to this bottom white regression band. Where so far we made a double bottom here in 2020. And we're here in January 2023. We possibly could come back down to that white regression band again to make a triple bottom here. Let's take a few measurements and see what that would look like. If we'd come back down here to this middle green regression band, that'd be a move of about 26% down and put Bitcoin at about $47,000. And if we move back down here to the white regression band, that'd be about a 38% move down and put Bitcoin at about $38,000. Something else I'd like to share with you here is after the halving, how long it took us before we kind of broke out to more of a parabolic move up. Here in 2016, took us about 10 months until we started to make a move up here, a aggressive move. Here in 2020, took us about 6 months until we started to make more of an aggressive parabolic move. Let's take a look and see what that would look like here in 2024 after the halving. Let's go over about 8 months here. That puts at about November or December 2024, where then we start making more of a move upwards here. One more thing I'd like to share with you here, with using logarithmic regression and the outlook on Bitcoin. Here is after the halving here in 2016, how long it took us to get to the top. From here to here, it was 17 months from the Bitcoin halving to the top here in 2018. Here again in 2020, it was also 17 months to the top here. Let's take a measured move and see what that would look like. From the halving here in 2024, that would put us to about September 2025 for the next Bitcoin top. Let's take a measured move to see what that would look like. From here up to here, that would be about 127% up and put Bitcoin at about $175,000. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and always, never invest more than you're willing to lose.